Hello my lovelies, Lesleyanne here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is the very first time that you've actually clicked on one of my videos, then thank you so much for doing so. I really hope that you enjoy this video and any of my others if you'd like to look back at previous videos and see if there's anything there that you would like. On my channel I tend to do mostly lifestyle videos. I do some vlogs as well, but I tend to do more of, like, as I say, lifestyle, which can include, well, virtually everything that goes on in my life I share with you guys. I'd like to just say that I really appreciate every single one of you that does follow me, that clicks on my videos, that gives my videos a thumbs up. Those of you who have subscribed, you know who you are, and we've all become really good friends and we'll chat to each other as well. But if you haven't subscribed to my channel, it's absolutely free to do so, and if you press the notification bell, which is also free, YouTube will notify you that I've done a new upload. So let's get on to today's video. A little bit different today. Right, so from time to time I do reviews. In fact, I do quite a lot of reviews, but from time to time, as I say, I do reviews for designer inspired products, and that can be handbags. I don't think I've done shoes before, but this time I have chosen a pair of shoes. Now, some people may have a problem with that. I personally do not. I don't see any reason why those of us that cannot afford to buy designer brand products, why we should not feel as though we have something as luxurious. If you, like myself, sometimes go to the shops looking for those lovely beauty dupes that you get in some of the shops. I've recently done a video about that as well. If you like designer inspired home decor pieces, there is absolutely no difference in my opinion. So now that little bit of declaration is out of the way, let's show you what I've got. They're beautiful. So a company by the name of, I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right, but I think it's Babula Bags. I will put the name on the screen. It will run across here for you. Now they asked me if I would like to choose an item. So say it could be a bag, it could be shoes, if I would like to review like the product that I've chosen. And I had a look at the website and I sort of looked at the reviews of other people have done, and, like, you know, read all the comments, like read some of the comments, and I was really pleased with what I read. And the lady from the company, Teresa, was absolutely fantastic with liaising with me. We were kind of going backwards and forwards on emails just to sort of clarify certain things, and she was absolutely brilliant. You will see the discount code that they have generously given me as well to share with you, and that will also be on the screen. I'll pop that on now, but you will also find everything that you need in the description box. So if you just drop down to where it says more, and then it goes down again to more, click on that, takes you to my description box, and in there I will give you all the links all over again. I will give you the website, I will give you the item number, details to click on for exactly what I've ordered. Yeah, it was a really easy transaction. As I say, I was kept up to date every step of the way, and I received my tracking order number as well, so I could keep an eye on it if I needed to. So now, I'm not going to keep you waiting any longer. Let me show you what I've got. So it did arrive in a box. I have had a peek to make sure everything's fine before I showed you. So it did come in a cardboard box like this, and it's the lovely black box that you can expect to see Chanel on. This I am filming again on my phone, so I think I've got like a reverse camera going here because everything's back to front, but I will take some photographs for you and pop everything on the screen for you. So I chose the designer inspired Chanel sandals. So they've got the lovely box, everything's beautifully, beautifully packaged. It's really well protected. So you can see everything's wrapped in tissue paper, and then inside here you have got lots of paperwork. Got lots of paperwork here. And how to look after your shoes, that sort of thing, everything's here. And then you have got the dust bag to keep them in. And then again, they're protected again by a little layer of this like foamy stuff. And then inside are the lovely sandals. I ordered these in a UK size 4. Sometimes it's better to measure your foot so that you are ordering the right size, but I kind of knew that I'd be okay with this size. They are absolutely darling, I love them. Right, so they have at the back, they've got a really strong Velcro strap here at the back. They're protected to keep them in shape with some more packaging. Take that out. So as you can see, they're black. They have got the typical well-known quilting on the sandal as the pattern. You have Velcro straps across the foot, which is so secure, and that's really, and this one here of course, this is really going to hold it onto your foot. And this is one reason why I went for these, because I really need, because I can't walk far, I find it hard to weight bear for long, purely because I've got a fractured pelvis and I've got a lot of back issues, sort of waiting for surgery. I needed something like this that I know will stay on my feet. It is padded in here on the insole. You can see just here where your heel goes, nicely padded. And the inside, I don't know, let me see if I can, if I do it that way, you might be able to see that it has like a moulding for your foot, very similar to like a Birkenstock sandal would have. You've just got like the lovely plain band of leather around the outside at the bottom, just above the sole. It looks very much to me like the bottom may be like a leather, but then you have got a lovely grip on the heel to sort of help with, like, you know, stability and slipping, that sort of thing. So that is what they look like. The other one, of course, is the same, but for the other foot. I'm going to pop them on. Haven't put them on yet. Oh, they smell so good. So I'm going to put them on, see what they look like, see how they feel. I'm going to be saving these for my holiday this year. Okay, let me open the strap a bit so that I can push my foot in. I'm going to try and lower you down so that you can see. I don't even know if these are kind of on trend at the moment. I know last year they were very much on trend, but I don't care. I loved them last year, didn't have any, and I was so happy to be able to choose these. So I've got them on. I will show you what they look like. I'm just going to put, I've got leggings on, so I'm just going to pull them up a bit so that you can see my ankles. Right then guys, so here we are. This is what they look like. They are so comfy. They are so secure feeling. I mean, if you've got a wider foot, I don't have a wider foot at all, but if you have a wider foot, you've got plenty of adjustment on the Velcro straps. I think they are beautiful. I would wear these in the evening and in the day. Definitely coming on holiday with me. They're definitely coming. I'm definitely going to be wearing these through the airport, etc. They are beautiful. Let me just do a little walk for you, just so you can see. Like, I think they are absolutely stunning. I wonder if they do them in another colour. I'd love a pair in a different colour as well. Right then, my lovelies, thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what you think of them. Don't forget to check out their website. As I say, I have popped it on the screen, but you'll find everything that you need down in the description box. I'd highly recommend that you pop over and have a look and just see what they have to offer. Thank you, Teresa, for asking me to do a review for you. I look forward to working with you again in the future. So wherever you are in the world, take care of yourself, look after yourself, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye for now. Bye.